How to see your password on Snapchat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome. After you've opened Google Chrome, click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on three dots at the top right, click on Settings. After you click on Settings, in here you will find Google Password Manager. Click on it. After you've clicked on Google Password Manager, in here scroll down till you find Snapchat. After you find Snapchat, click on Snapchat and you will be able to see your password after you click on the I button. And this is only possible if you have saved your Snapchat password into your Google account. This is how to see your password on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.